Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can add this trim mark to our object. So what is this trim mark? So we use this trim mark for the purpose of printing. We can identify our object on our artboard. So here I have this raster image, which is a digital marketing agency. So I'm going to add another object, which is this rectangle shape, so I can show you how we can add this trim mark for different object. So I'm going to fill it with a color. So first I'm going to select this raster image and I want to add this trim mark. So I need to click on object menu. So here we have this create trim marks. So I'm going to click at that. So we have this trim mark around this object in the different corners. So we have 4 corners with this object and we just added this trim mark to this object. So if I want to add this trim mark for this one, first you have to select your object, then under object menu you can find this create trim marks. So I'm going to click at that. So we have this trim mark for this one and also for this one. Before, I want to show you that how we can move this along with our object. So if I want to move this, so along with my object I can't move this trim mark. Before, I want to show you how we can just move it with the object. So here, if I want to add another trim mark, so I'm going to click on create trim mark. So we have another copy right here, but if I want to add another one, so it's going to add this trim mark, but here you can see the space that we have, this space of this trim mark. So now if I want to add another one, so I'm going to click on create trim marks. So we have this 1 2 3, so we have this 4 trim marks. Why is that? Because we have another copy here. I can just select that and move here. So we have this copy right here. So now if I want to add another one for selected object, so it's going to add this trim mark right here. But if you delete this and if I want to add another trim mark, so here you can just add that with no extra copy, because we have no extra copy over here. But if I want to add another one, so it's going to add a copy of this trim mark on the same position that here we have already for the different corners of this object. So I need to select this and press delete on my keyboard. So now if I want to move my object along with this trim mark, so I have to select this trim mark. I have to drag my selection all over this trim marks with this object. After that I need to right click and click on group. So now I can move this object along with this trim marks which is here. So I can just move it to put it on different position on my artboard. What if I want to move different trim marks here? So I need to select everything and right click, and here I need to group it. So now I can just move it in my artboard. So here let me show you that how we can customize this trim marks. So first I have to right click and group and put this object, or I can just delete that. So here I'm going to select this trim marks. So I need to add this stroke size to this. So this is how you can add this stroke size. But if you want to customize it more, so you have to right click and click on ungroup. So now I can select this corner of this trim marks and I can just increase the stroke size, or I can just scale it. As you can see, this is how you can customize all the trim marks. So let me show you one more thing with this trim mark. If there is any object which is a rounded object, so how this trim marks is going to be added for this type of object, which is this ellipse. So I want to add this trim marks to this. As you can see, for this type of objects, again is going to add this four corners, which is this left corners and this right corners. But this trim mark is going to be add just like a rectangle corners for any shape that is ellipse. And also if I want to add this to this polygon shape, so let me show you with this one. So 6 sides, and if I want to add this trim marks to this object, click on create trim marks. So again we have this trim mark on the four corner of this polygon shape. So now you get the idea that this trim mark is going to be at just like a rectangle shape, with it's going to fit along with the rectangle shape, which has this four different corners. So this is how we can use this create trim marks under object menu, and now you can move it along with your shape. You can customize, and now you can add this to any raster image or vector image for any object. For the selected object, you can just click on this object menu and click on create trim marks. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to add this trim marks for any object with Illustrator. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.